Hello my dear friends of electronics. In this video I want to show you what is the big difference between ferrite beads, high frequency standard SMD ferrites. Many times in seminars I have been asked from attendees why is one in high frequency so good for insertion loss and also from impedance, and why the other one is different. To understand what is inside of the SMD ferrite, we have to look inside, and for this reason we will use this computer tomography machinery. It makes an X-ray tomography not on my bones this time, it will make on the components. And for this reason I did prepare already a chip bead ferrite. This is a chip bead ferrite which we'll introduce in the computer tomography, and we will make a scan of the internal layer of that. So now we have the scans from the computer tomography machine, and now you can see here on this picture and movie that the layer inside on the chip bead ferrite are these multi-layers from bottom to the top. It's like a sandwich inside, and if you compare with the other one, with the high frequency one, you can really see that is a difference, and the difference is quite huge because the wounding, it is from pad to pad, is like a spiral inside, like a harmonica, you know, this kind of harmonica. And we can keep the distance from layer to layer and from the pad a little bit more spacey, and then we have lower capacity, lower parasitic capacity, and this lower parasitic capacity makes that the effect of the ferrite beads can act in the high frequency much better like the standard ones. And that we will make also in the measurement machine. Now we go to the measurement machine and pick up one ferrite bead from the sample box. Put in the fixture. Looks nice. Data memory, display data and memory for the comparison. And take the other one. Yeah, it's the right one. And now you can see very clear, one is the wideband standard multilayer ferrite bead where the maximum point of the impedance reached by roughly 200 megahertz, and then it's collapsing and goes down below 300 megahertz, close to 200 megahertz. Now you can see very clear that the wideband standard ferrite beads above 200 megahertz start to collapsing and reaching at 1 gigahertz maximum only 200 ohm, and the previous one, the high frequency one with the spiral winding, you can see here at 1 gigahertz still have more like 700 ohm ferrite impedance, and this is quite very clear that he will act in the high frequency much better like a standard one. I hope you like it and you will use it for solving EMI problem, and please watch my next videos. See you next time. Bye bye.